Hello everyone. In this video clip, I am going to discuss more examples, okay, on how to we use this standard normal distribution table. Now, if you have not watched the video part 1 and part 2, please click the link in the description box and understand the basic of this standard normal distribution table before you start watching this video. Okay, now let's move on with our number 5 example. Okay, number 5 example, we need to find the probability in between. So for example, we use 0.5, z-score between 0.5 and 1.25. Okay, when you reach here, always sketch the bell curve, always, to get the idea of which area that we want. Okay, so area, when we talk about area under the curve, in the bell curve, we are talking about the probability. So let's mark down the 0.5 and 1.25 on our z-axis. So 0.5 is here, just sketch, yeah? No need to be accurate. The scale don't have to be so accurate, just sketching. And what we want basically is the area between these 2 points. Okay, the area between these 2 points. And in the previous video clip, we already know that the table shows the probability on the upper tail, or I like to say upper right tail, upper or right tail. So over here, we just need to take, if we find 0.5, that will be the area above the 0.5 or on the right of 0.5. And if we find 1.25, we will get the area of the non-shaded part up on the right side of 1.25. So let's find 0.5 first. Where is 0.5? So 0.5 is here. So there is no second decimal place, therefore this will be the value that we want right away, 0.3085. 0.3085 will be the probability greater than 0.5. What about 1.25? So let's look at 1.2. Okay, this is 1.2 and 1.25 here. Okay, so let's take this value right away, which is 0.1057. 0.1057. Therefore, to find the area of the shaded part, we just need to take 0.3085, the bigger upper tail area, minus the smaller upper tail area, which is 0.1057. Okay, this one you can use the calculator and you calculate, you got 0.2028. As long as it is smaller than 0.5, it makes sense, yeah? Because 0.5 is the area of half of the bell curve. Okay. Now, the next example, what about if my z-score is negative? It's the same, negative 1.4 between z-score of negative 0.3. Always sketch the bell curve. Okay, the one in the middle is 0. Negative 0.3 is here, and negative 1.4 is here. So what do we want is the area between these two z-score. Okay, again, when it is negative, always flip it over so that we can use the positive value in our standard normal distribution table. Okay, so this one is 0.3 because our bell curve is symmetrical. Okay, watch video part 1 to understand the characteristic of our bell curve. Okay, so isn't it this one very similar to our example number 5? So let's find out what is the area on the upper tail of 0.3. So 0.3 is, okay, here it's all 0.3. So it is 0.3821. 0.3821. And then our 1.4. Where's 1.4? Over here, 0.0808. So 0.0808. Okay, so with that, process is remain the same, just like example number 5. We take the bigger upper tail area, 0.3821, minus the smaller upper tail area, which is 0.0808. And we minus, we get 0.3013. Okay, now the next example. What about when our Z score is between negative and positive value? Okay, for example, we take negative 0.3 and then less than 1.096. Okay, I'll increase some of the difficulty level. Negative 0.38 and 1.096. Yeah. So again, we have to sketch the bell curve. Okay, this is our z-axis. Remind us that the z-score is the value on our z-axis. Okay, so what is our negative 0.38? It's over here. Negative 0.38. And where is our 1.096? It's over here. 1.096. So what do we want? We want the area in between them. Okay, so over here, okay, if you're fast enough, you just take the right tail. After this one, this side, yeah, after we flip, we want it become the upper tail also. Otherwise, you do like this. All right, I break it down. I will take the 1.096, okay, and then plus with the area that is flipped over of 0.38, yeah, in between. Okay, so we have to find the upper tail, 1.096. So where is it? 1.0 is here. 1.09. Our second decimal place is 9. And then the third decimal place value is 6. Okay, so this is the value that we want. 0.1469 minus 14. Okay, always write the number to the right hand side. Yeah, to the right hand side. Ignore the 0 point, the decimal point at this moment. So when you minus it, we will have 0.1455. 0. Okay, double check. Yeah, 0.109. Eh, I'm so sorry. Oh, sorry. I see the wrong thing. The blue one. It should be the blue one. It should be this one. Okay, my fault. 0.1379. 1379. 1379. And then the blue one, 14. Sorry, yeah, I was distracted by the pink color. Okay, so we will have 0.1365. Okay, so that is the area of the upper tail when our Z score is 1.096. Yeah, so 0.1365. Likewise, we got to find the 0.38. So 0.38 is over here. Okay, this time let's use maybe green. 0.3. Okay, and 8. So this is the one. 0. 0.3520. Okay, 0.3520. Now, so what do we do? Probably in between them, we do the whole thing is 0.5, yeah? This one is also 0.5. Or in short, we look at this, the whole thing is 1. So straight away just take 1 minus the right tail. This one after we flip, still get the right tail. So we minus 0.1365 minus 0.3520. Okay, with the help of calculator, we get 0.5115. Okay, that's it on the basic of using the standard normal distribution table. And in order to make everything easy, you really have to sketch the bell curve. Okay, from the bell curve, you will know whether you need to take the value right away, or you have to subtract it from 0.5, or you have to subtract it from 1. Okay, actually this part, okay, if I want to work on detail, it should be 0.5 minus the 0.1365 plus 0.5 minus 0.3520 for question number 7, yeah? Whereby 0.5 plus the 0.5, I get 1. So I straight away take the 1 and minus the area of both tail. Okay, so with that, we have done with all the different examples on how to use the standard normal distribution table. If you like my explanation, please like, right, and share my video. Thank you very much.